back. Got a little present from Santa this year. Some Carbonetic AR wide body fenders. And they're gonna sit like this on the car and really give it a complete overall look. So it'll match our front wide fenders we have. These, we've got to do a little massaging with them, and any good body kit does. With this guy here, we've got actually marked out locations for all the holes to go through. Gives us some flexibility where we want to place all the bolts. And then we've just got to massage the back end here. Just got to heat this all up just to give it a little bit more, I guess, flexibility. It's a little tight coming out of the mold, so we're going to get that done. We'll get these mocked up, where we're going to sit them. And then from there, we're actually going to cut the fender up, cut it up high. We'll put a new piece of steel in. It'll sit out just so it has a lip for this piece to sit on here. So it'll sit like this. It'll rest nicely, prevent any water or rocks or anything from shooting up inside the bumper. Trim a little bit of the bumper itself and just kind of massage these in. And then once that's done, we'll get it all primed, we'll get it all sealed. We'll shave this hole up here for the old antenna. We don't need this. This is, 1996, obviously, 95. So get all that done. And then we're gonna figure out, we're gonna paint the car, wrap the car, but get this done, move on to the front, working away on the engine bay still. There's just a lot of stuff I figure you guys probably don't want to see, just a little bit boring welding and some grinding and things back there. But the next video we'll obviously get into the front again, but it'll be more of getting the car epoxy primered. We'll get it all level filled, get ready for painting on the engine bay. I think we're going to spray it here, which I want to do before the Super actually comes back. I just don't want to overspray on it. So get that done, get that done. The steering rack is actually going out today to get electric power steering installed so we can clean up the engine bay a little bit more. And then we can get the motor back in, we can get working and get this car going. So the end goal is to have it ready for the spring, but let's stop talking, let's actually get into it so the car's ready. So these are the old fender flares we had from Carbonetics. They did their job. They lasted for about a year or so. To give it a little bit more of a clean look, just it was flush, matched the front a little bit. But the thing I never did with them is I never cut this up. So when that was said, I had a big gap here just because it would rub if I went any further. So this could have been fixed. We could have actually done that at a time, but I didn't want to do it. I didn't know how. I didn't really know what I was doing. So I still don't, but we're going to work through it. So. It's like rubbing right here. But I also had body work done in the back, so maybe it's sitting high because of that. Let's try it. There's so much dust. Yeah, I can see where it's going to shake up a little bit. It's right there. Super tasty.
Actually, you're here by 1/16, which means you got to hit the underbody of this molding here. You can hit the edge, but also hit underneath.
So we've shaved here. Oh. And then here. So you're thinking where?
So right now what I'm thinking, in the marker.
I'm going to leave this in the video, the hand holding.
You know what? Why do we hold hands all the time? Don't you touch my hand again.
Let's get this one.
What?
Oh,
why
it still didn't even go in. Didn't even go in. Oh, it's right here now. Literally right here. It's tight. Oh.
Milwaukee.
I need belts. I can't afford belts. I can only buy these. Oh God.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty good. That. It's pretty good.
Camera on that.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that? That's not bad. You can do a little cleanup.
You know what? You can clean it up still for sure. But the best part is that we're even all the way down to the door. Look at that. See this gap? Then we see this gap? They're almost the same.
Why are we? Oh my God.
Yeah,
That's really marked up, huh?
Is this supposed to sit right on top of this? Like that?
No, it's supposed to sit
Above?
This may actually, I gotta look at that. We'll see, but.
Well, I'm just scratching the paint. So
Yeah, my paint is very scratched up. It's very scratched.
good progress.
It's good progress, okay. So, maybe we should do the other side.
Maybe.
Let's do the other side, and then at least I can play around with them. Packaged very well. So I learned my lesson on this one. Got tape down. Not that it matters, but well, maybe it does. But. We'll heat this up, get that moved in a little bit. And honestly, I don't even know if this was just the fenders needing rework. My car's been painted in the back, so maybe there's a little bit of body filler there. Just gotta figure out down here. I'll line that up, but let's see how much wider it really is. It really pushes out the car. Don't mind that. What do you guys think with the OEM spoiler? Get these all drilled out, then we can get some pilot holes in, just a couple across. Then I gotta figure out hardware for them and things, and then we can get into cutting the fenders and getting this all fit nicely in. But that's step one essentially, is getting these on, sitting. I think it's gonna be good. So, just gonna keep the video short this week, guys. We know, with the holidays and everything going on, and just trying to get content out. I just want to make sure we don't miss any weeks going forward. I know there's been a lot of questions, a lot of asks to see this car going, so we're going to keep rolling through. Next week, like I said, we'll get back into this, and we're going to keep pushing. So they're trying to film a couple more videos this week, just so we can keep pumping them out, make them a little bit longer. But let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see more of this stuff, if you want to see more of behind the scenes on the welding side, got a bit of work to do. Obviously, we've got to grind some stuff down. The welds aren't pretty. Shaving some things here and there, but we're getting there. So it's a good learning experience, and obviously we got a lot of stuff going on behind us. We got parts everywhere. Garage needs a good clean. Got a 2JZ in the back for something else, obviously. Just endless amounts of stuff. So drop a comment below what you guys want to see. Appreciate the nice supportive words. So I want to keep everything supportive in this community. I want to make sure that everyone's feels welcome. I don't want to hide behind certain things. If I don't know how to do it, I'm going to tell you guys. But stay tuned next week, and we'll keep going with the wide body Eclipse. So I'll leave you with some nice shots next to the video.
I got a little dream grown from a little seed, go where we never been before. The whole world's watching us, yeah. Make a load of us, look, 'cause we're looking this good. Come on, yeah, we're just having fun. Turn it up, fun. Turn it up, come on, yeah, we're just having fun. Turn it up, everybody's having fun. Move over, let me breathe. Won't stop these moving feet, something you've never seen before.